I just bought this. So this video I'm going to show you the setup. So step by step, if you want to go, and watch it all, it's great. It's going to take you at least 1 hour to do everything. This type of computer, even this is the latest one that you can get, the latest 2023 Mac Studio. It's going to take you a while to set it up, but it doesn't matter. If you have a Mac Mini, you have a Mac MacBook Pro or anything like that, the setup for all the Mac computers is going to be the same. So along the way, I'm going to give you some tricks and tips so the way you can use your computer more efficiently. See you at the end of the video. All right, so now I just plug this in, very easy. Just now we're going to select the language. So now we have the keyboard. I have done that with the keyboard. So if you turn off the keyboard, or if you have the Mac working in another computer, basically you have to turn this off, turn it back on, as you can see here. That's it. So I'm going to zoom in. Hopefully it will work. Otherwise, if you have a regular keyboard, with the wire, a regular USB, it should start working right away. So now, select USA. Now it says software update is available for this Mac. This Mac will be updated to 13.6. Okay, we can do that. All right, continue. Because I have a Ethernet cord connected directly to this computer, everything should be done automatically. Wow, almost 3 gigs. This is amazing. Okay, so I have 1 gigabyte. I have a gigabit connection, so it should go pretty fast. So it seems like it has downloaded already. It keeps downloading. Okay, 14 seconds more, and we should be good. So it usually takes like an hour doing all that, but it's better doing it right now before I start using the computer. All right, as you can see, now it needs to update. Always, for some reason, this computer I can do slow. If it was a Windows computer with i7 or i9, 16 gigs of RAM and SSD, Windows should be already installed, full installation. But for some reason, Mac is still slow in that matter. All right, as you can see, it's booting up. Now it will finish installing the operating system, and we will be done very soon, hopefully. All right, there is an issue. I saw the light coming on and nothing happened, so I had to turn it off, turn it back on. Let's see if it works this time. All right, as you can see here, it says press escape to hear how to set up your Mac over VoiceOver, or press Command Option 5 to view accessibility options. Okay.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to the VoiceOver Quick Start. VoiceOver.
Nope. Now let's turn this on. All right, continue. Not now. Not now. I don't have any Mac for now. We're going to put my email here. Password. Now we should get the notification on my phone. Allow. Now we get the code. All right, agree with everything. Now we say put the full name, account name, and we should continue. It has been like 22 minutes since we turned on this computer. Things are not very fast. Usually, like I said before, with the Windows computer, 5-10 minutes, you have the computer, the Windows up and running already with a full-blown installation. All right, in my case, I'm going to customize it, enable services on this Mac. If it gets stolen, it's a good thing. Share crash and usage with data and with the developers. I mean, share crash usage with developers, so that is a good thing for them. So that way, if there is any issue, they will be able to fix it. Enable Siri. Siri is kind of useless at this point, even in 2023. Nope. If you use this, I have used it in the past. When you use encryption on your computer, if you use encryption on your computer, your computer will be slower. So I don't want any of that. I mean, I think it will be okay for people who is using the computer maybe to check the email, read some newspaper or something like that. But if you are using the computer, to edit videos and everything else, it's going to make it very slow, almost unusable. Even I have the greatest computer here, M2, as you can see here, M2 Ultra, and things are slow. So here I'm going to show you what I do in order to optimize the computer, so that way you can work a little bit faster. Trackpad always as fast as possible. Also double click. Normal, I think it will be okay. Here we have few options. The scroll, okay, good. Use the trackpad for dragging, that is very important. Use 3 fingers, yep, very important. So that way you can do this with 3 fingers and you don't have to click in order to drag the trackpad, and that is good. And here we have this, and that is the main thing. Let's see if we have another option here. Mouse, okay, mouse. I don't use the mouse, but if I use it someday, that would be useful to have. Okay, with those options, at least now I can start using the computer more normally. Trackpad here, let's see. Trackpad speed, okay, yep, as fast as possible. There we go. Natural scrolling, and everything else is good. So that is all I need for now. So stay up to date with notifications, okay. So if there is any update, please do it. Here we have the iMovie and everything else, okay. It will ask me for the password once again. Okay, notifications, no sound. We should be good now. So now all I have to do is just download everything that I purchased. The bundle thing. Ad block for Safari, important. All right. ScreenFlow, yep. And the zoom, this is something very important. Accessibility, so the way if I want to zoom in something, it will make life easier. There you go. So the way that makes the trick. So basically that option is very useful, at least when you're making videos. Yep, I need WhatsApp. Lamp Pro, useful sometimes. Magnet, yes, magnet is important. So if you want to be able to divide the windows easily, like in Windows computers, yep, that will make life easier. Blackmagic is this speed test, important. Microsoft Remote Desktop, yep, very important. And now we have to let it run. And as you can see here, still downloading some stuff. Text messages, very important. All right. Yes, so that way I can get phone messages from my phone. Enable messages in iCloud, very important. We should be good now. So as you can see here, it will start downloading all the messages here, so that way I can send and receive messages from my computer. all you have to do is just put your iCloud and you should be good. And usually here, same thing with the messages. All right, so now it says go to privacy, accessibility. All right, activate magnet. Or let's go to privacy. There we go. Allow it. Then you type the password. Yes, launch the login. Yes. Very good. Now we should be able to drag things around. There we go. As you can see. And we have the perfect shape. And then we can start dividing things. We should be good. So now, that's it for now. I mean, I can keep tweaking this a little bit more. Adding my accounts. And as you can see here, we have the M2 Ultra 64 gigs. This is serial number. We have Ventura. Oh, we're still with Ventura. It's crazy. We have the latest update, the Sonoma. We type the password. We have to download it. And it will take another half an hour. This is the painful thing. Now I'm going to log in with my other account. And the downside of this is that Apple will not allow you to merge two accounts. When I used to live in another country, and now that I have my other emails and everything from here, they will not allow you to keep using that. So that is the downside. Also, that is another profile that I have. So that way, the downside of this is the same thing. You have to download the apps that you had in the other account. Also, because you're in different countries, you have some limitations. And there are software that you are not going to be able to download it if you are in another country. So that is why you have to have a US account, so that way you can have everything. If you are in another countries, usually you are very limited. There you go. You have to rearrange everything. All right, I have finally got. All right, allow. All right, maybe because I switch from one account to another one. Nope. Still installing. Okay, that's a good thing. This is good. Allow. All right, now we can restart the computer and we should be good. Update, yes. All right, finally. Now we type in the password, get in, and we have a Sonoma available. Maybe another update. Okay, updates for Final Cut. We should be done. All right, all done. We have the latest of everything, the greatest. We should be good. So now I have to test it, see how it goes. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time. It took an hour just to do everything.